Hey G Squad, welcome back to another of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool Amazon here, and pretty much what this is a car part that you can use for a total RAV4. So for this part inside is for you guys to use it in the back of your car where you guys do have the net. And for this one in particular it's from a different brand, not from the actual brand Toyota. So first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So when you guys first open it up, you can see how it's all well protected. But let's take it out. Once you guys do slide it out, this is what the product looks like. So let's take it out from the back first. So once you guys take it out from the box, this is what it actually looks like. So this is the bottom part. If you guys turn to the other side, here is the top part. So the way how they designed this part right here allow you guys to pull it. Just like the original version of the Toyota one that's used with a chunk cover. But for this one, I've been see they do give you guys this option for you guys to pull it out really easily. And it does have that nonce material on here, which is really nice. And the mentioned material or the fabric that's on here is like a waterproof or water resistant material. So if you guys do get water on here, it should be fine. On both ends of the product, on this side and also the other side, they do have the padding on here. So that way when you guys do set it up, it won't scratch the surface on the side. But just like the original version, when you guys push it, it does allow you to push it in. Same thing for this side. So that way when you guys do set it up, it's gonna be really easy. And then for the other end right here, they do give you guys a hook option for you to hook it onto your headrest option, which I'll show you guys in a second. But the cool thing about this one compared to the original version is the fact that for this one, they allow you guys to move it to just the base of your own preference, depending on where your headrest is, which is pretty cool. And when you guys do feel the weight of the product, it definitely has a little bit of weight to it, but it's not like super heavy. And also for the material of the fabric that's on here, they mention how it's sun resistant. So if you guys do leave it in sunlight for a long period of time, it is fine. I do want to mention for the one that we got right here, allow you guys to use it for Toyota RAV4 2006 all the way to 2012. They do have this available for other models as well, so you definitely want to do your own research to see what you prefer. So when I do pull it out, this actually looks like this side. Let me flip it around to show you guys the other side. So let's pull it on this side. This actually looks like this side, but that is everything that's on the product. Let me actually go set this up to show you guys how to set it up and what the product looks like compared to the one that I'm using right now. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. So right here is the original one that came from the Toyota brand when you guys do purchase it. Let me show you guys how it works. So for this part here, not retractable, so when you guys use it, you can see how it does dangle out, but it does have the hook option for you to hook in. Same thing for this side. And then for this part right here, it's retractable on both sides. So when I do pull it out, you can see how it does go forward and backward on here. But because for this one here, it got damaged, I had to replace it. Let me show you what I mean. So what you're gonna do is push this part out. And same thing for this side. And then once you guys do that, you can take it out. Just like that. So you see how it got really dirty on here because of the moisture and also the water. It somehow leaks through it. So the original one is not water resistant, waterproof, you can see right here. So that is why I need to replace it. So now I'm actually put on the new one and show you guys what it looks like. So once you guys put in a new one, this is what it actually looks like. You can see how much better it looks once you guys do put it on. But I'm actually set up the hook to show you guys what it looks like. So see for the middle one right there, I broke it. Because the way how I set it up is actually very different. So instead of like pushing it in directly, you guys have to actually take out the headrest and slide it into the hole. So I didn't know you guys had to do that. But good thing they provided me extra one, so I do have a backup one just in case. And then here is what it actually looks like on the other side right here. One thing I do know about this one is the fact that for the middle part right here, there's a gap in between it. So people can still see through the middle part right here. So you probably need to use something to cover that section right there. But once you guys do set it up, this is what the product looks like. Let me pull out the flap to show you guys what it looks like and how to set it up. So what I want to do is just pull it. And make sure both sides connects it. One on this side, one on the other side. Once you guys connect on this side and this side right here, this is what the final product looks like once you guys do set it up. So very easy and very simple for you to set it up if you can see. And it definitely works really well as a replacement option. But this is what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. Welcome back guys. So I can see the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long. When you guys do feel the difference between both of them, I do feel like the new one is much more higher quality because of the way how they design it, since it is water resistant, etc. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality car trunk cover that you can use for a RAV4, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.